Well, hi, welcome to spring 2021. This is week number 1, so this is an introductory week. Let me go ahead and share my screen so you kind of know what to expect for the week here. All right, we're going to go to here. Okay, so week 1, this is the homepage, so you'll find some information there. My name, that'll go directly to my email, and then our syllabus is there if you have questions, so you can kind of go through that homepage. Okay, the one thing I want to make sure that you all see is that you have a check-in activity, which will be due on Wednesday, February 24th. Okay, so make sure you do that. Of the discussions, that's the only one that is going to be due on the Wednesday. Every other discussion will be due on Thursday. So let's go to the modules here. Okay, and this will be our first module, getting started. Okay, and please make sure you move through each module sequentially, and it has to be page by page, otherwise things won't open up for you. Okay, so there's going to be a little bit of information about me, just so you get to know me as I get to know about you. The course syllabus is here as well, and some other details. You have important dates for spring, such as drop dates, if you need to do that, dropping with or without a W, things of that nature. A weekly schedule. So this weekly schedule gives you week by week in the dates. The syllabus has week by week what the assignments due. So you might want to take a look at that and keep that handy. Our textbook is also here. Your remind invite is here as well. So if we take a look at that real quick, hopefully it pops up relatively quickly here. Okay, so it just lets you know how to get messages for this class, okay, through Remind. And again, it's like texting without using personal numbers. So you can download the app, and then you're going to put in a code. So you can actually, if you text to this number, 81010, okay, and message at GD3KEAD, that's going to get you into this class. Okay, and so there's some other directions on there, so you can go ahead and review that as you go through the information for the week. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so there's a Remind app. You have a mandatory check-in discussion, which I spoke about already. So again, that's going to be due by Wednesday, the 24th. 2 responses to classmates will be due by Sunday. Okay, and then there's some information about Canvas. So again, just go through one by one. If you have any questions during the semester, you can ask it there. It's kind of like a open-ended question and answer that we can all talk about, or we can all access and get on and talk about. Okay, and then the last thing is a weekly recap, and I just want to know a little bit about your prior knowledge of emergency response and first aid, just so I know where we are as far as a class goes. All right, so go ahead and stop sharing. So again, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me, or go ahead and download that Remind app, get into the class, and you can text me that way, or you can come to the office hour, which is Wednesday from 10 to 11. All right, take care, and looking forward to meeting all of you very, very soon.